Hi, this is saying today I would like to share how to perform chi-square tasks for the data set with probability distribution that is believed to be known using SPSS. Okay, given the question here, from here we can see that each of the products is actually having different probability. Okay, and the expected probability are given here. So what can we do here is first go to SPSS. Okay, then for the products, although given in alphabet, we have to bear in mind everything must be in terms of numeric. So for the product, okay, in terms of numeric, let's say we want to follow ABC, then we just label under values here. So label 1 as A, then we add. Let's say we don't mind, then just click it. Okay, then followed by the sales volume or the frequency. So the sales volume. Okay, then we just input. So I have 5 products here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And their respective frequency 30, 25, 57, 68, and 20. So first, go to data. Look for weight cases. We have to weight according to their sales volume, means that their frequency. Then okay. It's already weighted. So we go to analyze. Look for non-parametric tasks, legacy dialogues, then chi-square. Okay, we want to check whether the product actually following certain probability distribution, not the sales volume or the frequency. So we select the product, and we have to bear in mind that they have their own respective probabilities. So we have to select the values. Okay, after that we have to enter these probabilities according to the sequence. So 20%, 10%, 30%, 35%, and 5%. So we have 20%, 0.2, then we add. After that, followed by 10%, 0.1, then 0.3, followed by 0.35, 35%, and the last one is 5%, 0.05. Okay, then we press on OK. So the expected outcome is already done here. Okay, out of 200. So all these values is computed based on the probability given. So 0.2 times 200 we have expected for 40, and the test statistic is given here. Okay, this is the test statistic, and this is the p-value. So if let's say we want to change the decimal places, we just double click, then select, right click, look for cell properties, go to format value, then we just increase or decrease accordingly. Okay, after that we just transfer the values to our answer sheet. Okay, so from here, the test statistic with greater than 13.9571 from here with p-value 0.0074, and from here you can see that this value is smaller than the significance level, so it means that we can reject the hash now and say hash1 is correct. So we just say there is sufficient evidence to conclude that the true proportions of the sales of the products are different from the manufacturer's claim. Okay, so in other methods, okay, we can actually use the critical value to compare. Okay, so to compare the critical value, we can use SPS to compute. So transform, compute. Okay, so we want test statistic, and the inverse TF chi-square. Okay, probability, this is cumulative, so we have to type 0.95. Because what we want is alpha 0.05, so we have to take 1 minus alpha, and the degree of freedom, we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items here, so n minus 1, which is 4. So press on OK. So already computed here. So if let's say we want to increase the decimal places, go to variable view, then we just increase accordingly. Okay, from here we can see that the test that is the critical value is 9.4877. 9.4877. So it's the test statistic is greater than the critical value. So we reject the hash now since fall within the rejection region. And we say that there is sufficient evidence to conclude that the true proportion of the sales, okay, we just copy from the above, is exactly the same, okay, are different from the manufacturer's claim. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.